Training to engine 22.
I think I'll get out of the. I think I'll go upwind.
Engine 22. Training to Tanker 23.
Go ahead.
Can you let 22 know I'm looking for him?
Tanker 23, engine 22, 251 looking for you. Engine 22, go ahead.
Respond to the rear of the station. We got a possible electrical fire in a trailer. You can go on scene, Ben.
255 to training, I'll be on scene.
Receive 255.
255 to training, I'll be establishing command. 22, come down Congo Mill Road, pull on behind the station, you got a trailer on fire. Engine 22 is on scene, single story trailer on fire. 22, if you guys can stretch your bumper line, should be able to reach you with that.
Receive 22. Tanker 23, you're responding. Charge the bumper line.
Command to Tanker 23. Go ahead, command. Confirming your response. On the way now.
22, charge the bumper line.
Command to 22. Command to Tanker 23. We got a man full all set up for you.
22 officer, don't go any further in. Command to engine 22. Progress report. Progress report. think the outside's just burning.
Command to tank 23. Go ahead. Do we have a work site? Ready on that now.